Can you connect your Instagram account to a Facebook page? This tutorial will show you the quickest way to link Instagram to Facebook easily. First, open your Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. Now tap the three-line menu in the top corner and scroll down to Account Type and Tools. Make sure your Instagram account is in professional mode first. If it's not, tap Switch to Professional Account and follow the setup process. Choose your category, then select either Creator or Business Account and finish the setup. Once your professional account is ready, go back to your profile and tap Edit Profile. Now tap on Facebook. After that, press Continue and choose Continue to Login. Here, you can continue with the Facebook account already logged in or switch to another Facebook account if needed. Instagram will now show the Facebook pages connected to your account. Simply select your Facebook page and tap Connect. That's it. Your Instagram account is now successfully linked to your Facebook page. And that's how you connect Instagram to a Facebook page. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram and Facebook tips.